the water park to your backyard with Little Tikes. It's easy to make a splash. Just stake it, inflate it, start the water flowing, and let the fun begin. They even pack up easily in their own carrying case. Be sure to look for this logo because Little Tikes has sturdy double-stitch seams, tough fabric that resists rips and tears, and high-pressure blowers for more bounce to the ounce. So kids can play and stay active with Little Tikes Slam and Curve Slide. It has a fun climbing wall that leads to a curved slide and sends kids down into the splash pool. There's even a basketball hoop. Now that's a slam dunk. Little Tikes brings the water park home.